Introducing the White Rhino two-piece nectar collector. The two-piece nectar collector is to be used with concentrates. It comes in two styles, version 1 and version 2. It comes with a glass mouthpiece, 10 mm quartz nectar tip, and a 10 mm black C-clip. To use it, start by placing the nectar tip inside the glass mouthpiece. Make sure to press the tip in hard for a secure fit. Then place the C-clip on in between the mouthpiece and the nectar tip. This will secure the nectar tip so it does not fall out when using or while it is hot. Next, use a torch and heat the tip to the desired temperature. Touch the nectar tip to the concentrates and begin to inhale slowly. When done using, place the nectar collector on the C-clip side to angle the tip up so it can cool down. When the tip is cooled down, remove the tip from the mouthpiece and place the tip in a bag of isopropyl alcohol. Soak the tip for about an hour. Replacement accessories are available: ceramic nectar tip, quartz nectar tip, black C-clip, and white C-clip. The two-piece nectar collector by White Rhino. Buy the two-piece nectar collector at whiterhinoproducts.com or visit your local retailer.